Today I'm going to teach you how to make a super cute bell cat. Prepare a 1-meter coral twisted rod. Make its body from the middle finger's long apart. Make 2 circles on the finger. The first circle is a little loose. The second circle is a little tight. Twist the long twisted rod from the left side of the short twisted rod and lift it up. The circle part is right for us. Lift the long twisted rod and put it through the middle of the circle to make its left ear. Then put it through the right side to make another ear. The 2 ears must be the same length. Lift the long twisted rod from the back of the head. Find the middle of the 2 circles and put the long twisted rod through them. Be sure to tighten this place a little bit. Put the first circle of the brain up. Now let's do the body part directly. Fold the right leg out. Fold the left front leg again. The 2 sides should be the same length. Then make the right hind leg just a little shorter than the front leg. Finally, make a left hind leg. Now the long twisted rod is behind the body. Twist the long twisted rod from the bottom of the right leg to the left side of the neck. Make a circle around the back of the head and take it to the lower left corner. Fold the rest of the body directly to the back of the body and wrap it around the stomach. Let's find a knot at the back of the body and fix it. Put the twisted rod in. Tidy up and squeeze the body a little bit. The head is bent up and the limbs are down. It becomes a seat. Take out a stick or scissors and pick out all the hair on its concave part. Then use a brush to brush it all over again to make it fluffy. The next step is to trim the hair. Trim its ears into 2 slightly triangular shapes. The hair on the ears should be removed and the mouth part should be cut a little shorter. The eye socket should flow out and the whole head should be cut a little smoother. Otherwise, it will be difficult to color the back. That's it. You can trim it according to my shape. Take a small brush and take the color powder. Wipe off the remaining powder and apply blush to it a few times. A little bit inside the ears. Take a small brush and take the color powder. Wipe off the remaining powder and apply blush to it a few times. You can also DIY this place. Take out a ribbon and tie a knot first. Then put the bell in and tie a bow knot again. We can cut off the extra part. It's done with the video.